What's up, thrill nerds? Coming at you with another quick update here at COTALAND. F1 is quickly approaching, which means the whole property is extremely busy right now. Lots of times you come up here and you won't have access to the property at all. I myself am going to be bartending out at F1, so if you are attending the race, shoot me a message and come find me. No testing done on Palindrome as far as I know. The maintenance bay was open and the cars are in the maintenance shed, so it's probably any day now that they get those testing. Soggy Logger still has a couple pieces missing. I think that's because they have some theming elements that they need to get heavy equipment in there for. All these magnolia trees planted along the road here are new. I think they're a good touch. Gonna add some shade, especially later in the day. The drainage pond here is looking good. They're kind of doing a lot more land work around it, as well as the plot for the S&S swing. And then the Texas Wildcat is starting to get laid out. And as you can see, there's just a ton of work that has been done around circuit breaker. Grass is growing, there's permanent fencing in place, pathing. It gives you a really good idea of how this whole area is going to interact with the roller coaster. One thing that I'd like to bring up is how the entrance to the whole roller coaster plaza area goes under that last roll on the coaster and then over the first drop. So that whole interaction area is going to be really awesome. And I just love how they've kind of integrated that into the park. So not only is it an attraction to ride, it's actually an attraction that you can walk up to and watch. There's a train just sitting on the lift hill. It didn't move the whole day as far as I know. I'm not sure what's going on. I saw Vekoma walking around on the track. I also saw some people touring around on the site, so it seems like they've got a lot of stuff going on. The pathing is looking more laid out now that we're further along, so you get a good idea for where the whole path is going to go. T20 building is still in progress. They haven't started on the second floor yet. I'm not sure what the delay there is, but I assume we'll see that going up soon. It's not a huge upstairs area. A lot of it is going to be kind of a terrace. The merchandise and entrance area to Soggy Logger looks like it has its foundation poured. This area is also going to have a bar for mixed drinks and beer and wine. I'm a little confused as to why there's no flat rides going up yet on the property. I'm going to assume it has to do with permits. I'll keep my eye on it over the next couple of months to see which rides are going to go up first. Now up to Palindrome. Like I said before, I haven't seen any testing on this yet. I have seen a lot more activity in the area of the station and the maintenance area. So I'll keep my eye on that as well as to when it starts moving and when I actually see cars in the station area. Last but not least, we have Skyblazer, the 230-foot tall swing. No construction on that yet either. I assume that we're going to see more of this going up soon. It was one of the first permits that were approved, so I'm curious as to why it's not going up yet. Maybe it has something to do with F1 and we'll see a lot of stuff really start cruising along right after F1. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you like this content and you want to follow along with the construction of COTALAND, hit that follow button, as well as follow me on Twitter or Instagram or TikTok. I post a lot on there. I also have a new podcast out called Coaster Chronicles. I host it with my friend Swizey. We kind of dive into parks and tell stories. This is our second episode. It's kind of spooky and getting into the Halloween spirit. Anyway, that's under the Coaster Cuzzies umbrella, so you can find that anywhere you listen to your podcasts.